guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to add recovery phone number in Zoho Mail. But before we continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well guys, first thing first, here I'm gonna go to the Zoho web. I'm gonna open in my Chrome right here, and then here at the search bar at the top I'm gonna search Zoho Mail, and now I'm gonna tap on this button here at the arrow button to search it, and here I'm gonna tap on the first option. And yeah, because I have logged in before, so I'm gonna to access Zoho Mail. After that, in this page you have to zoom in and then go ahead to your account icon here at the top right, and now tap on my account right here. And after that, you just have to verify your identity first. Here I'm gonna enter my password, and I'm gonna tap on the confirm password. After that, in this page you have to scroll it down, and here you will see my mobile number sections. Tap on the add mobile number like this, and now just type your number that you want to add to recovery. And after that, tap on the add button right here. You just have to wait for the verification code, and yeah, here's the code. I'm gonna tap on it, and now in this page I'm gonna copy the code like this. Now I'm gonna go back to the Zoho account. I'm gonna paste the code right here. Now I'm gonna tap on the verify button, and yeah, you will see here the information, and it's recovery right now. You can see that I have two numbers right now. So yeah, just it guys, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck.